This is exactly how I was able to fix Redmi Buds 6 active connection problem. So what we need to do firstly is to go to the source that you're connected to. So for example, your mobile, and Redmi Buds 6 active should be in here if you were connected to it before, for example. And then just click on it here and then click on forget this device and then click on forget device. Now we're gonna repair it once again. So what we need to do is that we need to lift up the case here, as you can see, until you can see that the light here starts blinking a little bit here, as you can see. Now what you need to do is to find the button here, so click on the button until we get the blinking white light, like this fast blinking white light. So now what you need to do on the Bluetooth settings here is to scroll down and see if you can find the Redmi Buds 6 active here once again. Just click on it and then you should be able to see that you're connected. If it's for some reason isn't working for you, what you need to do is to just remove the earbuds from the case again. Make sure to clean this right here, these two things right here. You can use, for example, like cotton swab, I think it's called, where you, like how you clean your ears, you know, but just clean it here without any water, of course. Just gently clean it right here and then try once again, and hopefully now it's gonna be fixed for you as well.